Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting smartphones of the year, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Samsung's foldable phones have come a long way, and the Fold 7 shows just how far they've come. If you're thinking about switching to a foldable phone or upgrading from an older model, you'll want to hear everything this device has to offer. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 looks familiar at first glance. It still has the same book-style folding design that people have grown to love. But once you start using it, you notice the refinements. It's thinner. It's lighter. It's smoother. Samsung has worked hard to make it feel more like a normal phone when closed and like a powerful tablet when open. That balance is key to the Fold series, and the Fold 7 does it better than ever. When you hold the Fold 7, you immediately feel how solid and premium it is. The hinge is much more durable now. Samsung says it will last for hundreds of thousands of folds, and it does feel that way. Opening and closing the phone feels smooth, firm, and satisfying. You no longer feel like you're dealing with a fragile device. It feels strong and reliable. The outside display, also known as the cover screen, has been slightly widened. This small change makes a big difference. Typing, scrolling, and using apps on the outside screen feels much more natural now. It's bright, responsive, and easy to use, even in direct sunlight. You can treat the cover screen just like a regular phone screen, which is great for quick tasks, but the real magic begins when you open the phone. Inside, you get a massive 7.6-inch main display that's just stunning. The foldable screen technology has matured a lot. It's brighter, smoother, and more vibrant. Samsung has improved the crease, and while it's still there, it's less noticeable. Most of the time, you'll forget it's even there. The display supports a 120Hz refresh rate, so everything feels fast and fluid. Watching videos, playing games, browsing the web, everything just looks better on this huge display. The aspect ratio is more square than your average phone, which means you can enjoy a tablet-like experience in your pocket. One of the biggest improvements in the Fold 7 is multitasking. Samsung has done a great job optimizing the software. You can run multiple apps side by side, and it works flawlessly. Want to watch YouTube while replying to emails and browsing the web? No problem. You can even save custom app layouts and return to them with a single tap. This is a productivity powerhouse, but there's also a new taskbar that stays at the bottom of the screen. It works like a dock on a computer, letting you quickly switch between your favorite apps. It makes the Fold 7 feel more like a mini laptop. The Fold 7 is not just a phone, it's a serious work tool if you want it to be. Samsung has also added better support for the S Pen. You can now use the S Pen more naturally on the large inner display. Writing notes, drawing, and navigating menus with the stylus feels great. It's not included in the box, but if you're someone who likes to take handwritten notes or sketch on the go, it's definitely worth picking up. On the performance side, the Fold 7 is a beast. It's powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with plenty of RAM. Everything runs fast. Apps open instantly. Multitasking is smooth. Games look and play great. The Fold 7 handles everything you throw at it without breaking a sweat. Samsung has also focused on battery life this year. The Fold 7 packs a larger battery than its predecessor, and the efficiency of the new processor helps a lot. You can easily get through a full day of use, even if you're constantly switching between the two displays. Charging is fast, too, with both wired and wireless charging supported. Let's talk about cameras. The Fold 7 continues to offer a versatile camera setup. On the back, you get a triple lens system with a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lens. Photos come out sharp, colorful, and well-balanced. Samsung's camera software continues to improve, with better low-light performance and enhanced detail. The front camera on the cover screen takes good selfies and handles video calls well. Inside, the under-display camera is slightly better than last year, but it's still not as sharp as the outer cameras. Still, it's good enough for video calls or quick snaps. Samsung has clearly prioritized the screen experience over camera quality here, and for most people, that's the right choice. Video recording is also excellent. You can shoot up to 8K video with impressive stabilization and clear audio. Whether you're filming your daily life or creating content, the Fold 7 has the tools to deliver great results. Software support is another big win for Samsung. The Fold 7 ships with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI, which is now more polished and optimized. For foldable phones, Samsung has promised years of software updates and security patches, giving you peace of mind that your phone will stay current. Samsung also includes a range of foldable specific features. Flex mode lets you fold the phone halfway and use the top half of the screen as a display and the bottom half as a control area. This is great for watching videos, taking photos, or even video calling hands-free. The Fold 7 also supports DeX mode, turning your phone into a desktop-like experience when connected to a monitor or TV. It's a great feature for productivity and makes the most of the powerful hardware inside. Durability has always been a concern with foldables, but Samsung has made big strides here. The Fold 7 is now water-resistant, like the previous generation, and the screen is made from stronger materials. The new hinge mechanism is more dust-resistant, though it still lacks full dust-proof certification. It's not indestructible, but it's much more durable than earlier foldables. Storage options are generous, with models going up to 1 TB. There's no microSD card slot, but with that much storage, most users won't feel limited. There's also fast UFS 4.0 storage, which means apps load quickly and data transfer is snappy. The fingerprint scanner is built into the power button, and it's quick and reliable. Face unlock is also available and works well in good lighting. Samsung continues to give users choice, which is always welcome. Audio on the Fold 7 is another highlight. The stereo speakers are loud, clear, and full of depth. Watching movies or playing games without headphones is a great experience. You also get support for high-res audio and Dolby Atmos, so sound quality is excellent. If you care about design, the Fold 7 comes in several sleek colors with a premium matte finish. It looks modern, feels luxurious, and definitely turns heads. It's the kind of phone people ask about when they see it. However, all of this comes at a price. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expensive. It's a premium device aimed at power users, tech enthusiasts, and professionals who want the best of both worlds, a phone and a tablet in one. For many, the cost will be a big factor. But if you're someone who uses your phone for work, media, and multitasking, the Fold 7 can replace multiple devices. But there's also the size factor. Even though it's thinner and lighter than before, the Fold 7 is still a big phone. It won't fit comfortably in every pocket. One-handed use is possible on the cover screen, but you'll need both hands to fully enjoy the device. It's something to consider, especially if you prefer compact phones. Still, the Fold 7 makes a strong case for foldables. Samsung has refined the formula to the point where it no longer feels experimental. This is a complete, polished, and highly capable device. It's not just cool because it folds, it's genuinely useful in ways that traditional phones can't match. If you're coming from a traditional phone, the Fold 7 will feel like a major upgrade in flexibility and functionality. If you've used previous Fold models, you'll appreciate the refinements in weight, durability, and performance. It's not a radical redesign, but it doesn't need to be. Samsung focused on the details, and the result is the best foldable phone. As always, Samsung offers plenty of ways to customize your experience. From theme options to advanced settings, you can make the Fold 7 truly your own. The software feels tailored to the hardware, which is not something every foldable can say. In conclusion, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is Samsung's most refined foldable yet. It's a powerful device that blends the best parts of a phone and a tablet into one seamless experience. With its gorgeous display, strong performance, versatile cameras, and thoughtful software features, it delivers on nearly every front. It's not for everyone, mainly due to the price and size, but for those who want the latest in smartphone innovation, the Fold 7 is a dream come true. It's proof that foldable phones are here to stay and that they're only getting better. Thanks for watching this deep review here on Tap Tech. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews of the latest tech. We've got more exciting content coming your way.